We've got a big mail time today. So I'm going to crack this open and show you what's inside. First look, this box definitely took a bit of a beating, but hopefully everything is still in working shape. I'm going to get this out of here and show you what it looks like. Here we go. Here's our letter plates. And over here, we have our engraver. This is where I set the letter plates and trace them. And that is where I put the jewelry. And this is where the engraver goes. This is kind of something new for me. I'm a little out of my depths with this, but I saw it on eBay. I put in one bid, and I was the only one who bid on it. So I won it, and I'm definitely going to play with it. I'll probably modify it. If you've ever used one of these before, this is a Pepe Tools horizontal jewelry engraver. If you've ever used one of these, message me and give me hints and tips on how to use this, because I can't find a whole lot of information about it. I did call Pepe. They stopped making these about 10 years ago. So it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I don't know, I'm gonna play with it a little bit and see what I can do. This is pretty cool. This is the original receipt for the engraver. Wasn't cheap. Pretty neat. I get this arm moved out of the way by raising this up a little bit, and you can see the plate where the jewelry goes a little better now. And this, it moves in all different ways. I'm still trying to figure it out. So it looks like these poles correspond with these holes, so I'm gonna stick those together. Would you look at that? This was upside down. Thanks, Jim. I raised this up even more so that it's flush with the traceable letters here. And now I just gotta figure out what I'm going to engrave with, because I'm missing that part of this machine. That was my mail time. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions on how to use this thing, drop them in the comments. Follow for more coin ring making stuff, and you'll have a great day. This thing is so cool. When I move this moves, right? I'll probably have to realign that. I don't know. Interesting.